Hi, I'm Aletha with WTI, and I want to show you my drawer organizer set. They come in 18 pieces. They're this really nice, durable plastic. And what I like about them is that there's so many pieces, and they come in a variety of sizes, from large to medium to small. And what I can do is organize them in so many different ways inside my drawers so that I can keep all the little things that I need. So one thing I do like about them is that they have these little lips here. And what that does, it allows them to connect together. So they connect together very easily. And that way, once they're connected together, they won't move or slide around your drawers. And so I can fit them in my drawer, and I can use them for so many different things. The space that it takes up is minimal, and I keep all of my little items neat and organized inside my drawer space. So these are the BYCY drawer organizers. I really love them. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.